Hello everyone. Today we're taking the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 on a little test run. It's my first time ever using it. I've got the Mic 2 on, the DJI Mic 2. It is windy, so maybe you're catching that. I'm not 100% sure. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna check out all the settings. I'm doing it in manual, just so I can learn how to use this camera properly, get the best results. So yeah, if you're interested in this camera or maybe buying it, or you've just bought it, consider subscribing, because I'm gonna be going through all my settings and kind of trying to figure out what the best setting is. We're just taking a walk through the woods and some manual settings. I haven't actually got any filter on. It looks a little bit overexposed, but I'm going in and out of the kind of light and dark, so I'm going to see how it looks. I've never been here before. It's only down the road from me, so it's pretty cool to find a new location. Now that I'm out in the open, you can see how overexposed it is. In the woods it was okay, but now it's just totally blown out. So I'm going to stick on this filter. I don't know if you can even see it, but let's see what that does. There you go, magic. Now I've got my ISO locked, so the thing is, when I'm walking through the woods and stuff, I might have to make it variable because the different lighting conditions just keep changing. But I'm trying to keep it as low as possible. I'm going to walk through this woody bit and let's see if it gets like it's going to get a bit darker, so I'm going to see how it looks when I get back. This shouldn't be too bad. I mean, if you take a look, yeah, because the screen's quite small, I can't tell properly, but I can see it's dark. I'm going to have to see what I can do with the ISO settings. I think you can go up to like maybe 400. If you do like up to 400 variable, the noise shouldn't be present. Okay, so I've changed it with the variable ISO of 50 to 400. Straight away you can tell the difference. Let's flick it round. Yeah, that looks so much better. Let's see how it looks when I walk in and out of the sun and shadows. And when I get back, I'll grade it a little bit and just see how it looks with the variable ISO. I just don't want the noise. I'm not trying to do a ninja walk either. I'm kind of like just walking like a normal person. I'm sure it's going to be bobbing a little bit. There is a way to make it a bit more steady, which is if you point it down and then push the gimbal up. I've got it in a really slow mode here. That should take away the bobbing quite a bit. So I'm holding it like a torch now, and even just in my hand it feels so much more steady. Right, we're going into the darkness now. I'm interested to see what happens here. Oh, okay, at least it's not pitch black like before. Well, it looks like it's doing a decent job. Looks like it's doing a good job, actually. Right, that's the end of this test. I'm going to head back home, see what the footage looks like. Hopefully it's usable. It'd be really cool just to see how this works. My first time ever. If you're new to this camera or thinking of getting it, then yeah, if you want to subscribe, I will be definitely doing more videos like this, kind of learning it and helping you guys and girls to learn at the same time. Right, catch you in the next one.